Hello friends, welcome to Tomoji tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to click checkbox, input box disappear. Okay, click checkbox and input box disappear. So let's get started. So firstly I open the Visual Studio Code and I create a new file which I name it home.html. Okay, and there is a I started the template, HTML template. Okay, so this is a very basic thing which I click on which I use the on click method. Okay, so this is a basic. I write the basic HTML code. If you need to add the bootstrap CSS, so you can, and you can use any other framework like Foundation, like anything, so you can also use in that. Okay, so let's go. I just created label and make sure check passport. Okay, make sure it's capital P. You can name it by your own, that's not the issue. So taking input type checkbox, then I will make sure define the ID. So ID will be same check passport. Okay, so that's the input checkbox is ready. Our do you have just dummy text? Okay, then I may make sure I create one more ID, which is with DV passport. This is for the input box ID, passport number. Okay, then I also create the input tag, input type text. I did not mention the class, just mention the ID. Okay, so whatever it is, text passport number. Okay, so let's see what it look like. So when I click to go live, and here it is. Okay, so did not work. Okay, I just when I click on this checkbox, it will be disappear. Okay, so let's link the jQuery, CDN. You can get CDN any kind of this website, and click on that. Let's click on the copy tag. Okay, so let's paste it on the footer. Okay, I don't need to add the script tag because I already copied all those tag. Okay, so let's delete this thing, I don't need that. Okay, so after this we need to add some script for this function. Okay, so dollar function. Okay, so now I call the this ID. Okay, yeah, this ID check passport on click function. Okay, and then I use if else method. Okay, if dollar this is checked. If this is checked, then I can use random ID, this passport dot show. Sorry, firstly I mentioned the height. Okay, so DB passport, when I click this, DB passport will hide. Then if it's not, it will be show. Okay, else. Okay, to the same, you can just copy that. I just copy these things. Okay, sorry, I have problem with some mouse. Okay, just these things will be the DB passport. DB passport will be the show. Okay, and add passport will be the hide. So let's close all tags like semicolon. Okay, so let's check. So see, this is the thing. When I click, this number is disappear. Okay, this is total hide. Okay, did not see anything. Okay, and when I so I think this will be the opposite thing. When this will be all disappear. When I click, then this will be appear. So firstly, I just make to the when click, then this password is show. It will be show. Otherwise, it will be hide. Okay, then this will be hide, and this will be show. So that's the thing. So firstly, I make this to style and display none. Okay, so that's not appear. So when I click, this will be there. That's the logic. Okay, sorry for this thing. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Okay, and in the description I will share you the code. Okay, so bye.